Hello guys, we will talk about DD Job, how to register, how to upgrade, how to do a task and submit a task. This four thing we will talk. I've given the link in the description. Go there and click from there. The page will pop up. First of all, please like and subscribe my videos for new updates. The page will pop up. Then after that, you can register via email or via phone number. If you want to register via phone number, you can put your country code here, your phone number here, and you can click send code. The text message will come with a verification code. Then you have to put here verify code. You have to type your full name, the password, and retype your password again. The invitation code will be 10102. That is my invitation code. So after you finish, you can press register. After you finish register, you can log in. Once you log in, this home page will come. So if you want to take this coupon, just click here. After you click, go to the coupon center page and you can use that coupon for upgrade. Now we'll talk how to upgrade. Go to me menu and you can see the top right side known as upgrade. You can tap there. Once you tap there, this page will show up. You can upgrade V1, V2 or V3. Up to you. Suppose if you want to upgrade V2, what you have to do? Click there, then put that coupon code, then click upgrade. Once you click upgrade, this page will pop up. Then you have to buy ERC20 worth of 118.41. So how you can buy this ERC20? For this, go back. Go to OTC market. These are the merchants. From here, you can press buy if you want to buy ERC20. Then the page will come like this. From here, all the merchant details are available once you click buy. Order number will be available, create time will be available, then merchant ID will be available, merchant name also will be available, contact merchant will also be available, and plus the UPI. So contact him before paying. After you pay, there will be a submit button which you have to upload the screenshot that you have paid, then chat to that merchant that you have paid certain amount for USDT ERC20. After that, he will release from his part. So you have to go back to upgrade, then V2, then press again upgrade. After you come in this page, in a balance section, you will see 118.41 balance will be there if you upgrade for V2. After that, just do your payment. It will automatically upgrade. Now we'll talk about how to do task and submit a task. To take a task, go to the task menu. As I am a V1 member, I'll click in V1. The highlighted one means that jobs are available. So click there. Once you click there, the page will pop up and then you can copy the text. Save these pictures. Then click receive. We'll go to the social network. We'll go to profile and then we'll post in create post. We'll paste here the text which we had copied. Then the two pictures, this and this. And remember, whenever you post DD job, it should be public, not private. Remember the status. So you can post it. As I have already posted, I cannot post again, so I'll discard this post. After that, it will come like this. Okay, so you have to do 2 tasks a day by posting tasks in social network. After that, we'll come back after 2 hours. After 2 hours, you have to submit a task. So you'll go back to task again. Then click on this up arrow and we'll click on this subject to submit a task. We'll take a screenshot of that, and remember it should be full details, and then we'll screenshot. And remember, Your name also should be there, and plus the time also should be there to upload the screenshot. So we'll go back to the DD job. We'll click here this plus sign, go to gallery, we'll wait for 100% and plus the tick mark. Yes, after that, did you see these three dots? Click there, then copy this link, go back to DD job. You have to paste it over here, the link address of your task post. Paste it over there, submit the task. That's it. And plus, if you want to check the record, go near the up arrow, go there with pending. Actually, just now I submitted, so it will take some time to approve. It will be automatically approved by DD job. You can refer to your family, friends, so that you also can earn more and they also can earn. Thank you.